Greetings, everyone. Greetings. Can you all hear me okay? Thumbs up if you can hear me okay. Wonderful. Greetings, 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 everyone. So today is your day. So it is about 7:30 in Indianapolis, and it is about 12:30 midnight here in London because we are 5 hours ahead. So I hope you all can hear me okay, because you see one coach because the other coach is asleep. So Anthony is on London time, so he is asleep. So first, allow me to give a big shout out to those of you who might be catching this on the replay. And I want to thank those of you who are watching live tonight. So thank you. So make sure you please comment, like, and share so that I can keep up with you and also follow you. And thank you for watching and for tuning in to Girl Get It Together. So the Girl Get It Together is a movement which empowers, educates, and inspires and transforms the lives of women or anyone who might be inspired by motivational and transformational messages. So tonight, since most of you know that I am in London, I decided to go live in London and just talk about the experience so far. This is day 2. So you know what you need to do. You need to grab your tea, your coffee, your lemon water, your wine, your margarita, or whatever your favorite drink is, because tonight we're talking about life. So let's talk about it. Well, London is on the agenda tonight, so I hope you have your favorite drink. Show me some hearts if you have your favorite drink and you're looking forward to tonight's session. Show me some love in the room. Want to see some hearts. Let's see those hearts. You have your tea. We are live in London. I'm sorry, so I hope you all can hear me okay. I think I told you my son is asleep. He has passed out. He is on London time. I'm still wide awake. It's midnight here, so I'm going to be really jacked up when I get back. So I just want to take a few minutes to talk about talk about London and my experience so far and share some tips with all of you. Sorry about the lighting. I hope it's okay. I truly have a makeshift situation here in the hotel, so I hope it's okay. Can you all hear me okay? Uh-oh. I'm messing up, so uh-oh. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. Okay. I'm going to leave it right there. So, okay. Let's see. I have somebody. I'm learning how to do this. Thanks, Katina. Okay, so I'm live in London. Got some great postcards. So, Joyce Miller, my high school sister, I have some postcards for your granddaughter, so I have a big old stack, so I'll pick out a few for her. So I got those yesterday as soon as I arrived. So I am excited. I hope you all are also. There's a great postcard that I picked up today. Very nice. So I hope you are checking out the photos that we will be uploading. We'll be uploading more photos of London. So I hope you all can hear me okay. So I just want to kind of run through some things that you are going to need if you are planning to travel to London or Paris or anywhere outside of the U.S. And I hope some of these tips will help you. Things you need to know if you're planning to travel. So first, you deserve to see the world. from your eyes. Everybody deserves to see the world. There's so much to see. So you deserve that, to see that through your eyes. Get your passport if you don't have your passport. You want to get that. I'm sorry. I was out today and it was a little bit rainy, and we went to Oxford Street. So I gotta drink some tea. So you want to get your passport. So you can go online, and I would advise that you print out 2 copies and complete a practice copy first in black ink, and then do your final copy. So if you decide to fill it out online, you can do part of it online, and then you have to print it out, or you can just print out the application and then complete it in black ink. But you can't have any mistakes, so that's why I did a practice one first and then completed the final one. So then you will need a photo. So you can go to Walmart or Walgreens and get your photo, or you can get it at the post office. So you want to get that. Let's see, what else do we have? And also, when you complete your passport, if you don't have it already, you need to make sure you have dates correct on your passport. Date of divorce or any important dates, information they may ask you, you need to make sure you have that. Check the fees in your state. Go online, make sure you have those fees. Get it early so you don't have to pay the expedited fee like I did. Do your research. That was really helpful for me. I went on YouTube, looked at some videos for London and travel tips, what to wear, what not to wear, just etiquette, all kinds of great information that's out there that will help you if you're planning to travel, so that you can be prepared. So when you're looking for airfare, you can go on to Skyscanner. Some of you, I'm sure, are professionals at finding the great airfare, and I talk to many of my friends for tips. They are expert travelers. They know who they are. Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, I think, are the best days to buy your ticket to get a good price. And I was up late at night looking for a price, and I caught a web special, so you can catch web specials late also. So make sure you take advantage of that and plan in advance. Plan in advance. And if you know someone that is an expert traveler, by all means, get that advice. It will save you a lot of time. So also, real quick, some things that you will need if you are traveling to London. And if you're traveling somewhere else, you need to make sure you find out the type of plugs that they have so that you can stay connected and charge your devices. So this is the plug that you need for London. It's a different plug than we have. So you can get one like this, or you can get one that has like the panel like this, and these come out, and they have other ones that you can put in for other places that you might visit. There are other attachments that go with this one. I got this one off of Amazon. So they're fairly inexpensive, but you want to make sure that you have this before you get here, because you want to be able to charge all of your devices. You don't want to not be able to charge what you need. The other thing that is helpful if you're traveling in the airport going through TSA security, these are called fit kicks, and these are really nice and really easy. So you can get these, or just a pair of black socks or some footies, and these have a nice hard back and they bend, so they store real easy. So they're called fit kicks, and you can probably get these off of Amazon too, or just Google and get those. Let's see, what else will you need? So I'm not going to show y'all my number, but you will need a Travel X card. You can go to the Travel X Center. If you're in Indianapolis, you can go to Keystone at the Crossing or at the airport. So it opens up at 8 o'clock at the airport, but the Travel X at Keystone at the Crossing, I don't remember the hours, but you want to make sure you just plan all of that right. You can load your U.S. money on here into pounds, and then you can just use this card, and you don't have to use your bank card and putting your card and your information at risk. You can just use this and swipe it and pay for whatever you need, your hotel or anything or whatever you need. And you can get some cash too, some British cash there also. You can get just some change and some coins for tips, so that's helpful to have. So let's see. Oh, you're going to need an Oyster card. You can get this when you get here. This is a card you will need to ride the train. So you can load money on this. I'm here all week, so I purchased a 7-day pass, and I can just swipe it, jump on the train, and it works, and it's really easy. If you don't need 7 days, you can only buy what you need. So don't ask me how to ride the train, because my son has been helping me ride the train. It is very confusing. I advise you to Google it, YouTube it, so that you can kind of understand the train system here. That's all I can say is make sure, because that's the way people get around. People do drive here, but they jump on the train. So today I was on 4 train rides. So this is day 2. So it has been eventful. It has been a lot to see. The architecture is amazing. The buildings is so much to see. It's so many people, and everybody has somewhere to go. People are in a hurry. And it's just very different, but I'm really enjoying it. It's really great to be here and to see London. It's very beautiful. So today we went to Oxford Square. Tomorrow I'm hoping we'll have an opportunity to go to the London Bridge. I want to get to some museums. There are a lot of free things you can do here in London, and I want to thank like my friends Sally Struthers and some other people that I know that have given me some great advice visiting London. It has been very, very helpful. Anthony loves it here. It's very, very busy, and it's just a lot to see. And so if you're just joining in, I just want to show you some of the postcards that I picked up that are very beautiful, and hopefully you had a chance to see some of the photos that we uploaded. The other thing you want to do is make sure you check your plan for your phone, your international plan, or see what they have, what they offer, and because that's going to be important when you come over here. You want to stay connected. The internet service is kind of slow. On my phone, I have Verizon, but I've had problems going live and some other things, so it just did not work well until I got back to the hotel. So you want to check that out and find out what your plan offers for international travel if you're planning to come to London. So that's just kind of briefly some tips that hopefully will help you if you're thinking about coming to London. We'll be sharing some tips with you and checking in with you, and I hope that helps. The other thing I want to tell you is to pack light. Pack 1 carry-on. No, let's see, 1 suitcase and 1 carry-on. And the other thing I want to suggest, this is by Travel-On. This is a really nice bag, a Travel-On bag that I have. It has a lot of compartments in it where you can easily get to what you need. But also what I really like about this bag, because there are a lot of people who pickpocket, and they are ready to get you. So you better be ready and make sure you keep everything kind of in front of you, because there's also videos and information out there where they cut the bottom of your bag or your backpack and everything falls out and they steal your stuff. So you don't want that. So what I like about this Travel-On bag is that when you zip it, this connects like this. And so when you have it around you, this is not going to open. So you make sure you have your important things inside. And there are compartments with a zipper. And this is just a very durable bag. And if you have this around you, and then you can bring it up closer, I mean, they will have to drag you. So don't let them get your stuff. So this is a nice bag. Also, you probably want to have something separate and put money or whatever you have in different places. Don't put everything in one place. And you can put this underneath your shirt or jacket or whatever. Just make sure you have everything secure, because people are walking and rushing and running and skipping and all kinds of things. So you want to make sure you have your items secure, because the pickpocketing here is real. It's real, y'all. They are watching, and there's certain things you don't want to do to look too American. I know that might sound kind of funny, but you want to do some research on YouTube. Baseball caps, sweatshirts, sweatpants. You don't want to wear things like that. You just kind of want to blend in. It's kind of hard, but they're watching for people who are visiting. So there's all different types of people here, and so it's unfortunate, but the whole pickpocket thing, you know, you just have to be on and make sure you're holding your things secure. So we saw a few things last night, so you really have to keep your green light on and watch what's going on and walk really, really fast and pay attention. So you have to do all of that. So it's a lot to learn. It's a great experience. And so I'm here in London until Friday, and so I am trying to see as much as I can see and enjoy this experience. And here's another postcard. And also, I am hoping to get on the London Eye sometime this week. So I hope it's not too cold. And my son has talked me into getting on the London Eye. So we'll see how that goes. So that's it. Do you all have any? Hi, Sally. Do you all have any questions about London? I don't know everything. I'm still learning. This is day 2. It's a lot of traveling. I flew to New York, from New York to London. It's cheaper to fly out of New York or Chicago. So if you're in Dayton, it's probably better for you to fly out of Cincinnati. But if you plan in advance, you can get a great price on your airfare. So that is London. We are live in London. I'm excited. And also, you can also research some history about London. And so I'm learning all that I can so I can come back and share the experience with some of my college students. So that's it. So let me see some hearts if that was helpful, the information for those of you who are tuning in, or if you're catching it on the replay. Hopefully this is helpful to you. The time difference is, London is 5 hours ahead. So as I said, Anthony is knocked out because it's probably around 12:45 here. And by the time I get adjusted to the time zone, it will be time for me to come home. So that's the only thing. The 5-hour time difference is pretty tough. Jet lag hit me pretty bad yesterday. So I'll have to get ready and do it all over again. So that is all I have about London. Girl Get It Together is here in London, sharing tips and information since we are here. When I get back to Indianapolis, we will continue on Mondays at 7:30 talking about life topics and life lessons. So I want to thank those of you who tuned in tonight and catching it on the replay. So that's all I have. And remember to do what you love and stay true to you. And we will check in with you tomorrow. So have a great evening. Bye-bye.